StudyGeeta.com presents
अथ सप्तमोऽध्यायः। श्रीभगवानुवाच मय्यासक्तमनः पार्थ योगं युञ्जन्मदाश्रयः असंशयं समग्रं मां यथा ज्ञास्यसि तच्छृणु। The Supreme Personality of Godhead said, "Now hear, O son of Pritha, how by practicing yoga in full consciousness of me, with mind attached to me, you can know me in full, free from doubt." Jnanam teham savijnanam idam vakshyamyasheshatah yajñātvā neha bhūyōnyaj ज्ञातव्यम् avashishyate. I shall now declare unto you in full this knowledge, both phenomenal and numinous. This being known, nothing further shall remain for you to know. Manushyanam sahasreshu kaschid yatati siddhaye yatatāmapi siddhānam Kaschin mam veti tattvataha. Out of many thousands among men, one may endeavor for perfection, and of those who have achieved perfection, hardly one knows me in truth. Bhumirapo nalo vayuh kham mano buddhireva cha ahankara iti yam me भिन्ना प्रकृतिरष्टधा. Earth, water, fire, air, ether, mind, intelligence and false ego. Altogether, these 8 constitute my separated material energies. Apareyam mitastvanyam prakritim vidhi me param jiva bhuta mahabaho yayedam dharyate jagat. Besides these, O mighty armed Arjuna, there is another superior energy of mine which comprises the living entities who are exploiting the resources of this material inferior nature. Etad yonini bhutani sarvani tyupadharaya aham kritsnasya jagatah prabhavav pralayastatha. All created beings have their source in these 2 natures. Of all that is material and all that is spiritual in this world, know for certain that I am both the origin and the dissolution. Mattah parataram nanyat किंचिदस्ति धनंजय मयि सर्वं इदं प्रोतं सूत्रे मणिगणा इव. O conqueror of wealth, there is no truth superior to me. Everything rests upon me as pearls are strung on a thread. Rasoham apsu kaunteya प्रभास्मि शशि सूर्ययोः प्रणवः सर्ववेदेषु शब्दखे पौरुषं दृशु. O son of Kunti, I am the taste of water, the light of the sun and the moon, the syllable Om in the Vedic mantras. I am the sound in ether and ability in man. पुण्यो गन्धः पृथिव्यां च तेजश्चास्मि विभावसौ जीवनं सर्वभूतेषु तपश्चास्मि तपस्विषु. I am the original fragrance of the earth and I am the heat in fire. I am the life of all that lives and I am the penances of all ascetics. बीजं मां सर्वभूतानां विद्धि पार्थ सनातनम् बुद्धिर्बुद्धिमतामस्मि तेजस्तेजस्विनामहम्. O son of Pritha, know that I am the original seed of all existences, the intelligence of the intelligent, and the prowess of all powerful men. Balam balavatam chaham kamaraga vivarjitam dharma viruddho bhuteshu kamosmi bharatarshabha. I am the strength of the strong, devoid of passion and desire. I am sex life which is not contrary to religious principles, O Lord of the Bharatas, Arjuna. Ye chaiva satvika bhava rajasastamasascha ye matta ye veti tan vidhi natvaham teshu te mayi. Know that all states of being, be they of goodness, passion or ignorance, are manifested by my energy. I am, in one sense, everything, but I am independent. I am not under the modes of material nature, for they, on the contrary, are within me.